my name is Tessa and I'm the production coordinator here at TraumaSim. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to apply and remove our silicone wounds. We have a large range of silicone wounds available, ranging from military to trauma and to nursing. All of these wounds can be applied to a live role player or simply laid onto a training mannequin. The best tools for applying silicone wounds come in our wound application moulage kit. This kit comes with 500 ml of stage blood, 170 grams of fresh scab, a syringe, and 8 stipple sponges. Lastly, the most important items in the kit are the spirit gum and the spirit gum remover, which we're about to use. To start the application, make sure the skin of your role player is clean. Wash and dry the skin with soapy water or wipe down the application site with a baby wipe. Once the skin is dry, apply a light layer of spirit gum to the skin of your role player. Then apply the spirit gum to the back of your wound. Allow the spirit gum to dry for about 5 minutes or until it's tacky to touch. It might take a little longer in colder weather. Once the spirit gum is tacky, gently place the wound onto the role player, making sure to smooth the edges down. For military and trauma wounds, you can amplify the effect by placing the wound under some ripped clothing and adding some extra blood. Here, you can use the blood and the fresh scab from your wound application moulage kit. To remove your silicone wound, gently peel it away from the role player's skin. Use the spirit gum remover to dissolve the spirit gum from the wound and the skin. Then wash the wound in soapy water. You may notice the edges of the silicone wound starting to warp after you apply the spirit gum remover. That's okay, all you need to do is lay it on a flat surface and it'll relax back into shape. Your wound can now be packed away and reused. If you'd like more information or to book an online demonstration, please visit our website.